What a find off the coast of Belgium! A submarine used by Germany during World War I discovered basically intact with 23 bodies inside. The find is very unique, the Western Flanders governor told the Associated Press. The impact damage to the sub was at the front. The newly discovered UB-11 type dive boat was found about 80 to 100 feet below the surface. Authorities are not giving specifics for the boat's location to protect it from looters. CBS News reports the sub may have struck a mine before going down. German officials have been contacted to determine what to do with the remains of the 23 bodies. This find is the 11th wreck to be found in the region, out of the 13 U-boats that were destroyed between 1915 and 1918.